How to fix WhatsApp freezing or lagging on Android. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this guide, we'll show you how to do so that your chats run smoothly again. So let's get started. So the first step is very simple but effective. You can restart your phone. Hold the power button for that. Look out for restart and tap on it to refresh the system and clear out the temporary glitches. Also update your WhatsApp application. Go to Play Store for that and go to search. Look out for WhatsApp here. Once you find WhatsApp, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to the latest version. Check if there is an update available. You can see update option right here. Tap on it and install it because outdated versions often cause freezing and lag. Also clear out your cache. So for that, you can hold your WhatsApp application or let's head over to settings. From there, you can go over the cat for option for apps and search for WhatsApp here. Tap on it. Once you find it up, you can go to their storage and within there go to clear cache, and that should remove the temporary files that may slow down the application without deleting your chat. And also make sure that your phone has enough storage and close unnecessary background applications that may be using the RAM, because low storage or overloaded RAM can make WhatsApp lag. And that's it. If nothing else works, you can uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp. Also, restore your backup after reinstalling. And that's it. WhatsApp should now run smoothly on your Android phone. So if this guide helped you out, like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.